Good morning, welcome to Lyine Group. Today I'm going to introduce one favorite vertical farm, Lyine Hydroponic Tower. Let's discover the magic of a tower. Full automatic grow tower, automatic control lighting, watering and planting. Modular free equipment. Freely stackable design. 4 planting holes, each layer 1, 2, 3, 4. Application, household and commercial use. 6 layer for home use and 10 layer for commercial use. 1 square meter harvest 100 leafy greens. This is 4-inch touch screen. The touch screen automatic control lighting and irrigation. Now lighting is set on, off, plus, light irrigation on, off, confirm. The touch screen are available remote control. Relax life, fresh fruit. A tower widely used for growing leaf greens, lettuce, fruit, vegetables, tomato, strawberry, herbs. Our modern life's biggest pain points: create relaxed life and healthy eating, fresh requirements. Solve modern life's biggest pain points: create relaxed life, healthy eating, and fresh requirements. From farm to table, 100 organic, 0 pollution. One tower can feed one family, provide fresh veggies for kids daily, healthy eating, and family activity. For restaurants, create Instagram spot, guarantee super freshness. Luxury hotel, from growth to plants within 1 hour, building absolute trust. For supermarket, attract premium supers, enhance brand difference. For education, hands-on teaching, best agri-science classroom. Agri-tech empire builder, urban farming opportunity. One-time small payment, continued revenue. Lyine Tower help you building blueprint to millions.